Good day, I'm Orolua for News Media Africa. The headline for today: South African courts reject former President Zuma's bid to end corruption trial. The news: A South African High Court judge on Tuesday dismissed an application by former President Jacob Zuma to stop his long-running corruption trial. Zuma and French arms company, Thales, are facing multiple charges, including corruption, money laundering, and racketeering, in connection with a multibillion-rand arms deal that dates back to 1999. The pair had sought to have the charges dropped, arguing that delays in the case, as well as the death of two key witnesses, had compromised their right to a fair trial. However, the judge ruled against the application, noting that while he would not assign blame, the state had argued persuasively that Zuma was primarily responsible for the delays, with Thales also contributing to a lesser extent. Zuma and Thales were initially charged more than a decade ago. Since then, the case has been plagued by numerous postponements, legal wrangling, and procedural challenges. The state declared its readiness for trial in 2021, but proceedings have been stalled by Zuma's repeated and unsuccessful attempt to have lead prosecutor Billy Downer removed, alleging that Downer lacked the necessary independence and impartiality. At the time of the controversial arms deal, Zuma served as deputy president. Among the 18 charges he now facing are fraud and tax evasion, tied to his allegedly corrupt relationship with his former financial advisor, Scarborough Sheikh. Sheikh was convicted in 2005 on 2 counts of corruption and 1 of fraud. The court found overwhelming evidence of a corrupt relationship between him and Zuma. The trial has now been postponed to December 4, when the state is expected to request that proceedings move forward, regardless of any appeals lodged by the accused. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.